Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Inherent, adjective. Inherence, inherently, inherentness. Inherent means existing as a permanent, essential, or inseparable part of something. Naturally inherent or intrinsic to something by its very nature. For example, the risks inherent in the job. Involved in the constitution or essential character of something. For example, inherent flaws in the design. In philosophy, existing in something as a permanent attribute rather than arising from external causes. The inherent risk of skydiving make it an extreme sport. Democracy has inherent flaws, but it remains the fairest system. His theory relies on the inherent goodness of human nature. The inherent complexity of quantum physics baffles many students. The system is inherently biased against marginalized groups. Some technologies are inherently dangerous if misused. Her argument was inherently contradictory, weakening its validity. Philosophers debate the inherence of consciousness in the brain. The inherence of these traits suggests a genetic basis. The inherentness of these properties was confirmed by further study. Key tips for standardized tests, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, and GMAT. 1. Likely question formats. Synonym selection. Inherent often pairs with intrinsic, innate, fundamental, ingrained. Analogies. Inherent is to essential as accidental is to incidental. Sentence completion. The blank dangers of the experiment required strict safety protocols. Answer: inherent. Critical reading. Identifying author's use of inherent to describe unchangeable traits. 2. Common confusables. Inherent versus inherit. Homophone error. Inherent is not receive property. Inherent versus extrinsic. Key antonym in GRE or GMAT. Inherent versus implicit. Implicit means implied. Inherent means built in. 3. Relevant idioms or proverbs. Inherent vice. Legal term for unavoidable flaws, occasionally in GMAT passages. The inherent contradictions of capitalism. GRE reading themes. 4. Test-taking strategies. TOEFL. Expect inherent in academic passages, biology, sociology. Replace with built-in if paraphrasing. SAT or GRE. Watch for contrast cues. Despite its inherent stability, the system failed under pressure. GMAT. In critical reasoning, inherent bias often undermines arguments.